This question is from Algebra, and here we are given a relation between A and B, where A and B are non-zero real numbers. And we need to find the value of this expression. Correct? Let's see how we can find the value of this expression. In the first step, first of all, I can take LCM of the first two terms and I will get A square plus B square upon AB minus AB. After this step, I will be using one algebraic identity. That identity says A minus B whole square is A square plus B square minus 2AB. We can further write it as A minus B whole square plus 2AB. We can bring this 2 minus 2AB on the left hand side, nothing else. This is equals to A square plus B square, correct? I just shifted the term minus 2AB on the left hand side, nothing new, okay? Please keep this thing in mind because we will be using this in the second step. How we can use this? Let's see. As we can see, we have A square plus B square here in the numerator. So instead of A square plus B square, we can write A minus B whole square plus 2AB. Okay, so let's rewrite this as A minus B whole square plus 2AB upon AB minus AB. In the next step, we can split the denominator AB between these two terms and we will get A minus B whole square upon AB plus 2AB upon AB minus AB. Correct? Now this AB and AB can be cancelled. And in the next step, we can write A minus B as, please look at the top, A minus B is nothing but AB. A minus B is nothing but AB. So we will be rewriting it as AB whole square upon AB, and the second term will be plus 2 as AB and AB were cancelled minus AB. Correct? Now here also we can cancel out AB and AB. We will be left with AB plus 2 minus AB, and these two terms can be cancelled, and the final answer will be positive 2. This will be our final answer. The value of this expression can be positive 2.